During his campaign, Donald Trump promised nothing less than a restructuring of the rules of a global trade system, a system that underpinned global growth, but which Mr. Trump says costs America jobs.
Now it's time for America to bind the wounds of division. Have to get together.
Now that he's elected the next president of the United States, the question is how much of the promised changes will become reality. China and Mexico were countries that were hit the hardest during the campaign. Mr. Trump promised to slap a 45% tariff on Chinese exports to the U.S. That means U.S. consumers would see the price of everything from iPhones to jeans and shoes rise. Economists say even a 15% tariff hike on China could cost the world's second largest economy a full percentage point in annual growth. Any slowdown would heavily impact the economies of Asia, including Japan, Korea, and Taiwan. And if Mr. Trump carries out this threat, China would most likely retaliate against American investors. Any change to the trade relationship carries high stakes for U.S. companies with big business or supply chains in China. That includes General Electric, Boeing, and other companies like Apple. Mr. Trump also threatened to withdraw from the North American Free Trade Agreement if Mexico and Canada don't agree to change the terms of trade. As Mr. Trump's victory became increasingly certain after the polls closed, Mexico's peso plunged on concern about the impact of a trade fight with its biggest export market. Meanwhile, it almost goes without saying, the Trans-Pacific Partnership, the 12-nation trade deal at the heart of President Barack Obama's strategy for Asia, now appears doomed. Mr. Trump has blamed the TPP on special interests who want to quote-unquote rape the U.S. Many economists say that for now, the election's biggest impact on the global economy is the unwelcome dose of uncertainty that's been added.